Okay, Hayes Meg here. So I'm doing a quick kind of comparison video between two different self-ratcheting strap mechanisms or tie downs. So here we got the Husky two self-retracting tie downs, and then we got the Quickloader self-retracting tie downs. All right, so one of these guys is $40 for two, and one of these guys is $20 for two. So it's literally, these ones are half the price. So I'm just gonna show you how it is ratcheting down a bike with them. The bike's already on there, and it's on a Condor self-locking chock. Just in case you guys are wondering, I highly recommend you use the self-locking chock with these guys. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and practice with the Quickloader real quick. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna do the Husky self-ratcheting tie down straps first. So I like to point out that when I put these on, I like to put the static part on the top. On the Quickloader, I do it the opposite. I put the static part on the bottom, the part that doesn't move. Okay? All right, here we go. Begin. Okay, now uninstalling. All right, done. All right, so that was the Husky self-ratcheting strap tie down for a dirt bike. Just this is the front. So now I'm gonna do the Quickloader, and we'll see how fast this one works. So, okay, begin. Okay, and release. Boom, done. All right, so there you go. There was a little comparison slash competition between the Quickloader ratcheting tie downs and the Husky ratcheting tie downs. So from what I noticed using both of them, the Quickloader has it's much easier to ratchet the Quickloader because it ratchets it like 4 or 5 teeths compared to like 2 or 3 for this one, and the lever is like so small on this, it's hard to activate, you know. And the release mechanism, I kind of don't like it on this one because you have to like kind of press the button and then you have to push the lever down, and then it kind of just explodes on you. So so both of those demonstrations, I compressed the suspension about halfway, so I did about the same on both of them. So it seemed pretty secure. Yeah. So all right. So but definitely both of them, I like them a lot. It's a lot less mess, as you can see, compared to a regular tie down, you know, and they wind themselves up, and yeah, and then like you don't have to play around with adjusting the straps; they adjust themselves. So, all right, so that was just a quick comparison between the two. I like the Quickloader better, but it's cost twice the price. That's why it's better. So, but only time will tell. I just got the Husky one, so I'm gonna give these a try. So, still the verdict is still out on them. So. I like the Husky ones because they're less bulky than the Quickloaders, though. So, all right, here's we go.